Hi, folks. Today we're going to be opening up unopened 1989 packs. Here they are, unopened. The gum is still stale as ever. Uh, Worry about talks like I heard like card companies try to have gum thing. They try to sue them, say no, we're the only one allowed to have gum in our cards. So so that's the reason a lot of cards have stickers and there's stuff like that. Don Rice had like some kind of weird puzzle thing going on. So most of them they gave out stickers. Some are mostly amulets. So let's see what kind of package. The first package I'm putting. That's we heard it was not a penny. It was a hard over 30-year-old gum. Let's see. Gotta find some rookies. Ooh, Tom Grevin. Some kind of contests they had during that time. Let's see what kind of cards. This will. Let me show you what he looked like. Here's a Wally Joiner. He had a decent career. He's like him. This is what they look like back in '89. Tops and the backside of it. Wally Joiner had a good career. I married him. I used to follow him in baseball. Also, they came with these team leaders. They'll show you like this is for the Padres, and then it kind of shows you the teams, the players were doing. They're leading for their team. Let me see here. Rams. Oh, Tom Gravin, a rookie card. Second year. Yeah, I guess 88 he had a 7-17 record. But it's kind of career. I gotta look at it. It's a good card to keep. It's like his second year card. Back of it. Hall of Famer. Yeah, he's doing it. I kind of know this guy. No, not important. Let's find some other cards for you folks. It's the first pack. So far, one good card. Frank Tommy. This guy had a career, Frank Tony. Had a decent career. Pitcher. Did a decent career. I got a good pile. Trying to remember some of these things. Barry Lekin. Oh, Hall of Famer. Andre Johnson. Hall of Famer. Right here, boys. With the Cubs. Hall of Famer right there. Right here. Nothing really. Try to look for rookies. So yeah, the checklist they had was the manager, and then back here you can check, the player. But I always hate checklists. I used to hate them when I used to get them baseball cards. This guy had a good, decent career. Alfredo Griffin. This guy had a decent career. I guess I'll put in a good pile. No rookies. No rookies. This pile. So far, some decent cards. Grabbing cards can be worth it. Hall of Famer. I'm going to open the second pack. So I got this from Amazon. $32. Bunch of our box. 300 cards. I'm going to go through them. So try to get my video decent. I hate these. These are the worst thing to get. Baseball cards. Give me the waste of money. Always. The backside of it. I hate it. It's garbage. I hate it. We'll turn back the clock. This guy, one point had the most steals, and then Ricky Henderson stole it. Brock, and a little story about him. Let's see what kind of cards. Contests. Red Sox, a big Red Sox fan. Second year card. Somewhat rookie card. Let me see. So far, doesn't seem like a good package so far. Archer be down. This guy has a personality. He used to be with the. He used to be an MTV softball thing. He used to be a cracky guy. And of course the team leaders. It was like Eric Davis. And then team leaders, it shows the. Well, of course, got more of these little checklists. It's just a waste of money. Oh, Hall of Famer Kent. I think it's Hall of Famer Kent Hart. I gotta look at it. I think it's a Hall of Famer. Be a good card to keep on the side. The back side of it. Fine. Either card worth mentioning. I don't see any rookie cards. I guess this is a rookie card, I guess. I guess it's kind of a rookie card. Keep it on the side. I never heard of this guy, so that's what they look like. Isn't really that present. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. In the future, I'll do a better job doing these videos. It's interesting. Yeah, we do different things. We try to each video. We try different things. Become famous. Please like, subscribe. We got merch and all that fun stuff. Also, you feel free to donate money. Also, got a warmer pack. Let's open up. So once again, this is a 89 Topps. The best time to buy rookies are around 89. You got a lot of good rookies that year. Some errors too. Worth a lot of money. Get a hold of your eBay error. That's worth like a good amount of money. You can buy a house. You can get that card. Let's see what kind of cards. Maybe get a rookie card or. Definitely look for rookies. Even the player's not that great. Rookies more most of the time worth more. Greg Olson. I think this guy didn't have much of a career. I gotta look at his first draft. I gotta look it up. Put that in a pile. Let's see what kind of cards. Some cards are all messed up. So what do you think? Do you collect baseball cards? Will you do a pack? Will you do a player back in the time? Most of the time I go to LA for games. I'm a Giant. Oh, Steve Sachs. Hall of Famer, I think. Or Hall of Famer. I think he's a Hall of Famer. No, I think he's not a Hall of Famer, but decent. But I'll sell on eBay. Maybe I'll get somebody who like him. I think he's not a Hall of Famer. I'll be wrong as always. Do my research. I'm trying to remember things. I can't remember a lot of things. I saw a Dave Parker card in here. I don't know what happened to that one. Oh, Frank Villa, our Hall of Famer. Played with Twins most of his career. Dave Otto. Can't find that Dave Parker card. That's weird. I don't know. It's boring. Be longer than hell right now. Yeah, I was gonna get a Rick and Jr. Oh, Rock. I think the Hall of Famer. Oh, I'll look it up. I think the Hall of Famer. Another. That's weird. How is it? Oh, Dave Parker. I wish this guy became a Hall of Famer. Never became a Hall of Famer. Had a great career. with the Pirates, Reds, and A's. I think he was playing this near his career. But this guy, too bad. His goal was to get 3,000 hits, but he never did it. He was begging players. I think one reason he became a thing, I guess, part of the whole cocaine thing back in the 80s with baseball. Yeah, please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Once again, this is for 89 baseball. Got some cards. They're worth saving. Keep it nice. Somewhat decent. Pile. So yeah, let me think. Let me know. Thank you for watching. We'll have more packages in the future.